Hey guys, today we are going to be playing FIFA. It's actually not new. I already have my team over 81. And that's why I got the lit campaign probably. Kit locker. One matches to earn kits. What? What is this? Ah! Okay, sorry. Whatever. I don't even know where I go here, so we are going to camping and we're just going to play the master. You need to be over 19. I'm not even over to you, Mr. Master. Mr. Master. Wait, requires at least an 85 over team to play. I thought it's gonna be 90. Oh my goodness. 85 and 93. Kidding me. What? What? They're not even going easy on you. What on earth, game? That's not nice. FCB 99 Barcelona. Okay. You? Who are you, mister? I am from the future. Okay, why am I here even? Wait. If he's in the future. Yeah, we're just gonna go. Maybe in the future we can make it to the next one. Well, whatever. We're going to our fight, which is probably a football match, you could say. It's in the second half. That's seriously impossible to score. Okay, let's go. Just don't care. No. What did I do? Oh, no. Oh. Polly! Catch it, Polly. Catch it. Darn it, Polly. I hate you. Oh! God, that was so close. Tackle him. Oh, tricky. Okay. Song! Your name is Song. Do you sing songs? Yes! God, dang it. Ah! Come on. Please, don't do this to me. Yay. Oh. Hey, that ain't fair. That's not nice even. Stop it. Get some help. Ah! Okay. Up to Polly, up to him. No, wrong section, mister. Okay, Polly. Okay, let's go Odo here because Odo is my best friend when they have the ball. Look at that. Just look at that. Lol. It's like, hey, how the hell is he good at that? Ah! Polly! Up to him. And score! God, that was really good. That was a really good chance. Okay. Hey! God, no. Don't do this to me now. No! Polly! Take it, bro! You're my best friend. Come on. Yeah! You scored me the last 2 goals last time. Come on, Polly. No, they're not scoring. Goalkeeper! Yes! You cannot catch me! What? Seriously? You're bowling. Seriously? Kidding me? Okay, I understand 1,000,000 times. No one cares. Their team even looks like it's trash. Probably I am the trash here. Kick it! Yo, what on earth? Seriously, you? Polly, why, man? Ah! That did not even score. I lost the match. Oh, God, that's really... It's not my business. They're over 84. I'm over 81. That's not fair. They're giving me an over 84. Is that even possible to defeat? I don't think so, game. So you better just not do these stuff anymore. Hey! That's my personal ball. You're not stealing it from me. Give me it. Give me my amazing, precious ball. God, you're so annoying. God, kidding me. You deserve this. You're not scoring that goal again because you don't deserve it. You do not deserve the goal. That was so close to give it for any enemy that I have. And out on them. Amazing job. Okay. Polly. 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 Are you kidding me? Polly. 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 Kick it. Kick it. Kick it. Ah! Ah! Not cool, bro. I did not appreciate that, Polly. You have to do better for me. Please, Polly. You cannot be that mean. Are you kidding me now? Are you kidding me? Ah! 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 I was gonna score that goal. Karma. Hey! Hey! Oh! Here I come. No. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no! No, 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 no! Yes! You cannot give me! Ah! No, no, not again. Not again. That's not happening again. I don't want to see his reaction. His reaction looks like trash. Okay, come on, come on. What you got? Why do you need the ball so much? Look, you scored a goal. Let me have the chance. Seriously, I hate this guy so much. Come on, come on, come on! Out on them. Thank you. What? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, they shot him. Yo, just take it! Yes, there we go. What? Acting like you're poor? I don't get what's funny. I really get what's funny. Lol. 7 minutes. I am not ending this video until I win them. Because they are cheating. Okay, I have to stop saying that they are cheating. They are not cheating. They are not cheating. Huh? No, 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 no! Give me that ball. Why are you stealing? Why are you stealing my little ball? He was mine from 2018. You're stealing him! You're stealing my own ball! How dare you? You're so mean. Hey! You know? You're not stealing my ball. My ball is my ball! Give me my ball, bro. Give me my ball. Give me my ball, you man. You man, give me my ball. Hey, why are you stealing the little kid's ball? You stupid. Hey, hey. Yeah, Polly, just skill him. Oh! God, he got it out. Yeah, don't act like you're just, hey, it's not my business. He took it out. Oh, he just saw the ball coming. God, not cool. Oh. Cristero. Song! Yes! Yes. Okay, oh! He was gonna take the ball there. And I was not gonna be happy because then my little child's gonna be crying. Who's my little child? I don't know. It's probably the ball. Hey! Why? Ah! God! No, you're not scoring that goal. Come on! Be nice for once! Come on, yes! I'm not presenting to the goalkeeper. Last time I played this game, I ended up getting fooled by my own goalkeeper. Lol. Oh! God! Yes! Polly! God dang it, that's a foul! Why are you fouling me? I don't think there's any penalty shot. Oh, there is. Okay. I really sometimes get out in the penalty shots because they're boring. Seriously, you just kick and that's it, probably. Oh my goodness. Kidding me. Okay, let's go. Skull Trooper! Who's Skull Trooper? Just joking. I know who's Skull Trooper. Okay, let's go to the side. Oh, bro, what you mean? Why always mean? Why always mean? Ha! Why am I laughing like that? Actually, this circle. Oh! Yes! Did I win? I don't know. I don't think that's a goal. Oh! That is a goal. Okay, cool. Just shut up already. Whew! I think I'm gonna win this one. Oh! Oh! We won! 2-4. God. This goalkeeper. Damn. Yo, yeah. Stop looking at me like that. Guys, don't think that I'm gonna end this video right here. I'm gonna play more. I actually have like I don't know how much more matches. Let's check. Like I don't even know. Can anybody calculate that? I don't know. That's really 11 and I think 21 more. I don't know, or maybe 20 more, something like that. I don't think 11 times. Well, you probably have to do 11 minus 31. Because there's 31. Lol. What am I doing? What the? Yo. Pass. Yo. Oh, okay. I get it. I get it now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that was a fail. Good. Okay. Oh, that was a fail. God. Oh. Well, guys, I think I have to end it right here. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. If you're new to this channel, smash that like button. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. I'm sorry that I ended it right here. Just really tired now. I just really actually played a lot in this game. Whew.